Hello there, shy Leo. How are you doing today? If you find that the generic description of Leo, which one could argue is an obnoxious extrovert, if you find that this description does not describe you, that it does not resonate with you, then you're in the right place. We're going to look at a different way of identifying you as a Leo, finding a different core to your Leo-ness, your Leo nature. If you enjoy this type of content and would like to support me, you can subscribe to my channel. That's a way of showing your support. Or you can book a reading with me. I even offer astrology-based tarot readings, so you can have a more personalized astrology-based tarot reading if you would like with me. Details are in the description. Back to our original topic. So Leo being a fire sign, being a very expressive, theatrical, and traditionally extroverted character. At least that's how Leo is often characterized. Some Leos who do not enjoy being in the limelight, who do not enjoy being the center of attention, and do not find themselves to be egomaniacs, will find it difficult to identify with their sun sign. There could be various reasons for that. Let's not go into those. But to put it simply, your birth chart has lots of aspects, and there could be other things coming into play, which does not negate and doesn't take away from the sun sign being Leo and it representing some core aspect of who you are. So we're going to pull one card that is going to give us some guidance on what is an accurate representation of your Leo-ness. And we have the Nine of Cups showing up. Okay. So, Leo is often spoken about as a natural born leader, someone who enjoys being a central figure, someone who is the loudest, the most expressive of the group, and someone who's also generous. The generosity aspect of Leo makes him or her quite an attractive character. So it's not all narcissism and egomania that Leo represents to the people who are interested in the zodiac. So one important aspect of Leo-ness is the constant struggle or strive or orientation towards this luminosity, this radiance, this inner radiance, which, Leo being ruled by the sun itself, that's no surprise. What the Nine of Cups is telling me is that your Leo-ness is coming through in other ways, perhaps less performative, less dramatic, less theatrical ways. But the point of it is to give yourself and others the gift of simplicity, the gift of this generosity of allowing people to be who they are around you, and giving yourself that same right, that same permission. The Nine of Cups is a water-based card, so there's emotions coming into play with this card. And what the Nine of Cups represents is the ability to find what feels good to you and give yourself permission to live a life that is not centered around appearances or supposed tos or duties and responsibilities, but a life centered around this radiance, this joy of giving yourself the ability, the opportunity to do what you love. And so your Leo-ness, your shyness, could actually be a generous gift from yourself to yourself, to be who you are truly, and the courage and the bravery to not deny yourself the things that really bring you joy. And sometimes because people can have a hard time wrapping their heads around why a certain thing would make you happy, and they sometimes might feel insecure in their own happiness and could start to attack you for being you. The Nine of Cups is here to tell you that maybe being a shy Leo, an introverted, more introspective Leo, can be advantageous in that you can have that sense of superiority, that sense of leadership expressed in the way that you're giving yourself permission, you're approving of yourself, and there's no need for external reinforcement of any kind. So leadership can express itself in many different ways. It's not necessarily the person who's grabbing the microphone and is standing in the spotlight who's the true leader. The true leader is someone who can allow themselves to be completely comfortable with themselves, who can also tolerate the weirdness, the quirkiness of other people, who can live and let live. And that's the core quality of Leo that I think you could be resonating with. Let me know in the comments if you felt that this reading was closer to how you experience being you, being a Leo, or if you have any questions or any ideas. Please also make sure to leave a comment. I love reading your comments. Thank you, and I hope to see you in another reading. Bye-bye.